Hi my dear most subscribers and new viewers to my YouTube channel, Channel 27U. I welcome you once again to chapter 8 of my series on YouTube lessons in my YouTube videos. So friends, today we'll be discussing how we can try to make some of our videos in YouTube go viral by simply understanding the importance of tags. T-A-G-S, tags, and its implications. Okay, so friends, without wasting much time, let me tell you, YouTube tags are important because they help YouTube grasp your video's content and context. This way, YouTube can understand your video's topic and category and associate it with similar content, which can amplify your video's reach all around the world. Try to understand what I have just said, okay? So, be sure to include the terms in your tags that are the best descriptions so that it is easy for your target audience to find your video and YouTube to understand its content. Make sure that your tags do not mislead users. Having accurate tags can increase your bounce rate and thus hurt your rankings. So you can ask me, how many tags can we use on our YouTube videos? Well, YouTube allows us to use as many tags as we want, and as long as the total character limit across all tags is less than 400 characters, okay, approximately. Generally, most videos should have, according to me, 8, 10 or 12 tags. That should be sufficient. And the second important question is, how do we decide what YouTube video tags to use? Well, you want to select tags that communicate to YouTube and your audience the categories where your video will be reasonably included. Here is a breakdown of the types of tags you should make sure you have in your YouTube videos. Okay? Number 1, general tags. You should include at least one keyword that details the broad category where your video falls. For example, how to earn from YouTube, how to earn from YouTube, how to make money from YouTube. These are, very important tags, very useful tags. How to. Second is topic tags. You should try to include tags detailing the specific topics your video covers, such as keywords about the names of famous or popular people brands in the video locations or other identifying features. Number 3. You should, use tags that refine your video. You should, try to include tags that help people narrow down the details of your video so they can easily identify it. For example, if your video is a part of series, like this series of mine, this series is about lessons on YouTube. I've been trying this for quite a while, and it's kind of experimentation. Recently I did, not recently, quite a long time back, I did chapter 7, and today I thought of, presenting you this chapter 8, trying to tell you the importance of tags in your YouTube videos. And fourth comes the error tags. This includes tags of common misspellings or or other regular mistakes that will help you capture the portion of your audience that makes these errors. human errors when like somebody is trying to type something, somehow, like due to some error, they mistype it. I remember one joke. Somebody wanted to, type PICS, pics, that is short for pictures, and the autocorrection made it PIGS, pics. So you can just understand what's the difference between pics as for picture and pigs, PIGS. So now, friends, let's go to my computer screen straight away and find out how we can modify, edit, or add new tags in our already published videos. Okay, so here we go. So this is the home screen of my computer screen, friends. Let's click on Chrome and let's straight away go to YouTube. As I'm already logged in, let's click on my channel logo and go to your channel and click on YouTube Studio. And below the dashboard, let's click on videos. The list of my videos appears over here. Let's click on this. I want to add tags over here. Click on edit. And the tags. Here you have the option to add and to replace. And to remove. Let's type new tags. So here you have to notice that I'm typing my channel's name on the tags in different ways, and thereafter simply update. Update videos and wait for some time, then the tags will be added to your existing tags. So that's all, folks. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will come of great use to you. Thank you so much. See you in my next videos. Bye bye for now.